Huge brands such as Tesla and Under Armour are using AdCreative.ai to generate their creatives for their ads. As you can see, it's the #1 most used AI tool for advertising, and it's a great tool. And in this video I will show you exactly how you can also use AdCreative.ai, either if you own your own business or if you have an agency. I'll show you how you can use AdCreative.ai for free for the first 7 days to generate the same ad creatives as Under Armour, Tesla and more major brands. So first you can click on the link in the description that will take you to AdCreative.ai. Then click on try for free now. As you can see, you can sign up with Google, Microsoft or just fill in your details manually. So now you will be taken right here. Here you simply want to enter your payment details, and this is to verify your account, but you will not be charged during your 7 days free trial. So simply enter your card details right here and go ahead and click on complete registration. So now you have simply created your account. Now I'm going to click skip right here and I'll show you exactly how you can create ad creatives using AdCreative.ai right now. So first you want to follow the brand setup steps. So provide your brand details once and let their AI generate on-brand ad assets. So first you can import from your website. So this will import your branding automatically. So then after importing your website, you will see your brand colors right here. Now you can also change this if you would like. Now you want to write your brand name and description. Now if you import your website, it will take it directly from your website and you can see it by clicking right here, and then you will see the description here. So you can change it if you want. Now you want to upload your brand logo. So a dark colored logo with a transparent background is recommended. So then after uploading your logo, you can select your brand colors right here and you will see a preview in the right tab right here. So for example, if I pick this one, you will now see this as the brand colors. So just pick the brand colors that you would like to have. So for example, I will use these brand colors and now click save and continue. Now here you can also do an advanced setup where you can connect ad accounts, select your brand font and upload an alternative logo. So you can also do this if you would like. I'm going to skip this and just keep it to these details. So then click create brand. So now after you've created your brand, you will be taken right here. And as you can see in the bottom left, you will have started your trial package and this ends in 7 days, and in the trial package you will get 10 credits. And these credits will be used when you download an ad creative. Now here you can choose an asset type you would like to generate using their AI. So they have ad packages, ad creatives, social creatives, ad texts, batch creatives and product photo ads. So this is a new feature that they offer. And ad videos and stock images will be coming soon. So in this video I will be focusing on the ad creatives, but you can also create social creatives and any of the other ones you see here. So I'll just click on add creatives. Now here you want to choose a format. So for example, if I am doing my ad on Facebook, then I will pick an aspect ratio of 1:1, so that's 1080 by 1080. So I'll just pick this one right here. So then go ahead and click on next step. Now here you will get two options. You can either generate texts with the AI, so you let their AI write conversion focused text for your images, or you can write it yourself right here. So your main headline, your punchline and your call to action. You can even select a call to action icon. Now I'm going to use their AI to write it for me to show you if you should do this too. So let's click generate text, and now here you can enter a landing page. And then when you enter a landing page, all the details will be filled in automatically. So for example, the call to action for my landing page is schedule your audit call. So you can also select a tone. As you can see, for me it's set to professional. You can also select informal, friendly or enthusiastic. So I'll just keep everything what it has generated for me and click on save and generate. So now as you can see, these are the on-image texts that it has generated for me. So ready to skyrocket your ROI, maximize ROI with IAG, that's the name of the brand. And then the call to action is start boosting sales. So here you have a preview, but this is of course not what it will look like. So now click on next step. Now here you can either upload your own background image or you can search images in their stock library. So let's search in their database. So you can see that some of these usually cost money. This one, for example, is usually $13, but when you use AdCreative, you will have unlimited stock photos. So that's completely included in any of their plans. So for this example, I will just use this picture right here. Now you can give your project a name and then you can click on generate. So now your ad creative is being generated based on the information that we have just added in. So now here you will get your ad creatives. So as you can see, it has these grid lines over it. This is because you need to download these and that will cost you a credit. And as you can see in the top there is a conversion score. So the higher the score, the better they predict it will perform. So find one with a very high score or one that you really like. So you can see the ones at the top have the highest conversion score, and the lower you go in the list, the lower the conversion scores. So the best ad creatives should usually be top right here. So for example, this one has 99 out of 100, which is really high. So if you would like to edit something about this post, you can simply click edit right here. Now you can do a quick input edit, or you can go to the Creative Studio editor. So with the quick input edit, you can change your text inputs, background images, fonts and colors. Now in the Creative Studio editor, you can edit your creatives using their visual editor. So if you would like to edit something, either click right here on the quick input edit or the Creative Studio editor. Now for this example, let's say I really like this image and I just want to use this one, and this one. So then I can ABC split test them. So now what you can simply do is click download on each one of these. And now as you can see, they are being downloaded to my device, and you can see this will cost some credits. So as you can see, I downloaded 2 of them and that costed me 2 credits. So now let's open it up. And as you can see, it's of very high quality, and now you can simply use this on Facebook or wherever you would like to promote this ad. Now if you want to have text to go along with this, that's also a great feature of AdCreative.ai. Then what you want to do is click on generate right here, and now select add text. Now here enter your URL again, and then click scan my website, and then it will fill all of this in automatically. So if you fill in the same URL right here that you did when you created your ad creative, then it will have the same message right here, and the text will actually go along with your ad creative. So now simply click on generate text. Now your ad texts are being generated. So now you can see them right here, and you will see the conversion score again. So these are not ranked from highest to lowest, so you can just read all of them and see which one you like best and which one you would click on first. If you don't like any of them, you can click generate more, or you can edit the ones that are already here. Now as you can see, this didn't even cost me any credits. And all of these ad texts have a kind of formula. For example, this one right here has the OATH formula. So that's old, annoyed, thorough, hesitant style ad texts. So they all follow some kind of guideline, such as this one has the SLAP method, or this one has the 4 C's principle. So for example, I will use this one, the before after bridge style ad texts. So you can see the problem before, and then you can see the solution after, and what will change when you book a call or do whatever you want. So let's use this one right here. It also has a great score of 95 out of 100. So you can simply click on copy right here. And now you will have the ad creative and the ad text to go along with it. So you have created the entire ad creative. Now if you're an agency or you have multiple brands, then you want to have more than one brand. As you can see, I have just this one. But when I click upgrade right here, you can see there are different plans. So in the startup plan, you will have a brand limit of 1 and 10 credits per month, which means that you will be able to download 10 ad creatives per month. Now if you have a starting business and your business is not that large, then this will be more than enough. Now in the professional plan, which is $249 per month for 200 credits, you will have a brand limit of 10, and in the agency plan at $500 per month, you will get a brand limit of 50. And as you can see, you can also add more additional users in every plan. Now when you create your account with the trial, you will be automatically signed up to the professional plan. So if you want to keep it that way, then you don't have to do anything. But if you want to downgrade to the startup plan or upgrade to the agency plan, then you want to click downgrade here or upgrade here. Now as you can see, this is the price when you pay monthly. But when you pay yearly, you get 50% off, so it can be as low as $15 per month for the startup plan. And for this, you get an entire ad creative designer, which is just a great price since the ad creatives are really good looking. Now if you need more than 10 credits per month, but you don't need a brand limit of 5 and you don't want to pay for that, then you can simply get, for example, 100 credits right here, and then it will still be cheaper than the 100 credits here. Now the most amount of credits you can get is in the agency plan when you pick 2000 credits, and then you will also be able to get 200 brands. So if you have a huge agency, then this may be what you need. And as you can see, this is $450 per month, and considering that you can download 2000 ad creatives per month and create unlimited ad texts, so you will have an ad creative designer and copywriter for just $450 per month, is a great deal. Now if you need additional credits, you can click additional credits right here. And you can buy credits right here. So for example, if you buy 10 credits, it will be $31. If you buy 1,000 credits, it will be $1,280. So you can buy these in any plan if you need more. Now another feature of AdCreative.ai is the competitor insights. So you can track competitors right here, and then you will unlock the secrets behind your competitor's success, including traffic sources and best performing ads. So let's just track a competitor right here. Simply enter your competitor's website. For this example, I will just use AdCreative.ai as my competitor and click on Get Competitor Insights. So now they will generate a report for you. So here you will get some competitor insights for AdCreative.ai. So they have a visit count of 1.8 million, and this is for January of 2024. You can filter by any month, and you can just see a bunch of details about their audience. So for example, if you're just starting out and you have a similar business to AdCreative.ai, then you can see that most of the customers are female, and then you would know that you may want to target females in your ads on Facebook or Google or wherever you are advertising. You will also get an age breakdown. So for example, 25 to 34 is the most popular one in this specific case. And here you will see their top TikTok ad creatives. So this is their top spending platform, and you can see these are the best performing TikTok ads of your competitor from the selected market. So then you can just see their ads right here, and you can create something similar because you know that it is doing well for them. You can also see their top Facebook ad creatives and their top Twitter ad creatives. Now if they are advertising in more places, then you may be able to see those places as well. So this also works as a great ad spy tool, and you can just create something similar to what these people are creating. So again, you can use my affiliate link down in the description, and that will take you to AdCreative.ai, and then just follow the steps that I showed you in this video. So create your ad creatives and your ad texts, and then you can simply see what works best for you and create more similar ad creatives. So that concludes this AdCreative.ai tutorial. Now you know how to use AdCreative.ai to generate creatives for your ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.